Our dear sister Denise says, my admin keeps telling me to look at my analytics and I don't know why I avoid it. That's Auntie, I appreciate your honesty on this. Let's hit this for a minute. Part of the reason why I struggle in looking at my analytics was because I failed to acknowledge to myself I didn't know, that I was ignorant about some things. And because I lacked the knowledge of how to really truly understand of how to read the analytics and use the analytics properly. The second reason why I'm talking about me, Auntie. I'm talking about me. The second reason why I avoided my analytics is because I was just too much in a hurry. I wasn't trying to get viral videos, but I wanted that next live stream to be that hit that I got back in February when I had JP High Tech, when we talked about building confidence and on camera and having over 2,500 people watching my live stream. I wanted to reduplicate that home run. And so I was constantly in a rush mentally and wanting something now, wanting the success now. And I said, I just don't have the time to sit down and do my analytics. But after hitting my head several times and scraping my knees several times in this content creation journey, on these content creation hard streets, because it can be very hard and competitive in the niches that we're in. After I scraped my knees enough, I said, okay, I got to start looking at the data. I got to start finding individuals who can teach me how to interpret and read the data and use the data.